Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Roblox not send the two-step verification code. Firstly, check if you're using the right email. Make sure you're checking the same email address that you added to your Roblox account. Secondly, check your email folders. Sometimes the verification email gets filtered by your provider. Check the following folders like spam, junk, promotions, or social. If you find the message there, mark it as not spam to make the future Roblox emails arrive properly. Now, add Roblox to your contacts. Add the noreply@roblox.com email to your contacts, which helps you recognize Roblox as a trusted sender. And finally, try resending the code. On the two-step verification login screen, click Resend Code or Start Over. Then check your inbox again after a few minutes. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.